So this is take 75? Or 2. Hey road trippers.
Do you ever have any issues with packing or overpacking?
Well, you're in luck because I have a special guest here who's been traveling for a very long time, and she's going to give you all kinds of great tips on packing. This is Let's Go Road Trippin', and if you like Americana, road trips, and travel tips, you definitely want to subscribe to this channel. Let me introduce you to Dewi. Dewi is a tour manager and a tour operator. She's been traveling professionally for 7 years, but I think she's been traveling a whole lot longer than that. Been all over the world, and you definitely need to listen to every tip she has because she knows a thing or two. So tell us what you got.
You know, when I go packing, I like to travel as light as possible. I try not to check in luggage if I can avoid it, because I have had lost luggage before and it's really annoying. So what I do is I tend to pack more tops than I do pants, because no one really looks at the bottom half of your body, but everyone notices what you wear on top, right? So tops and t-shirts, I usually pack 1 t-shirt or top per however many days you're traveling. So if you're traveling 7 days, I pack 7 days of tops and t-shirts and about maybe 2 or 3 pairs of pants. And what I do is I use organizers like this, and I put all of my tops and t-shirts in one organizer, all of my pants or shorts in another organizer, and then my undergarments in yet another organizer. And the reason I do this is so that I can easily find my tops for my pants, for my underwear, instead of like shuffling through my suitcase trying to figure out where's my t-shirt, where's my shorts, where's that pink underwear I wanted, you know? So it keeps it all really nice and organized. And what I do in the organizers is that I roll all of my tops and t-shirts as opposed to folding, because I find that you have more space in the luggage and in your organizers when you roll as opposed to folding. Not to mention, you will avoid wrinkles in all of your clothing when you roll.
She's not the only professional that rolls. Everybody I have talked to that everybody you know, everybody I know that does this professionally, we all roll our shirts and our pants.
Yeah, it's just more efficient, and again, you avoid the wrinkles and you do have more space. I also do organizers for all of my toiletries, and I don't just put all of my toiletries in one bag. I have separate toiletry bag like this. It's pretty decent size. That's just for my liquids. And what I do for my liquids is I don't just stuff it in here. I put it in individual plastic bags. Like this is my little shampoo bottle. Thank you, Brad. Yes, here it is. And then I do it with all of my mouthwash, my shampoo, conditioner, perfume. And the reason I do this is so that it doesn't spill. Has that ever happened to you, Brad, when you just... Oh my gosh.
Yes, it has. I had mouthwash, a large jug of mouthwash, spill all over inside of some borrowed luggage. Wonderful time.
Yeah,
wonderful.
Not
fun. And it was a 3-week tour. It was about the 2nd week in it.
That's awful. And I've had that same thing happen to me, except mine was shampoo and not mouthwash, but both terrible.
I think shampoo might be worse.
Probably so. And then I put all my non-liquid toiletries in a different bag, so it's just easier to find things. And then when it comes to shoes, because I hate packing shoes, and me being a woman, like, we love our shoes and we want to pack as many as we can, but that's not always possible. So I always recommend packing maybe 2 pairs of shoes and then a pair of flip-flops or sandals, because when I'm in a hotel room, that hotel carpet is very dirty. As clean as it may look, it's just disgusting. So I always wear a pair of sandals on my feet. That's just something I do. But when it comes to shoes, I always pack my shoes in plastic bags. And the reason why I do that is because if you just dump all your shoes in the suitcase, it makes a mess and you can't find your stuff in your suitcase.
And not to mention, the bottoms are dirty.
It is dirty, and that's another reason why I put in individual plastic bags. I don't put both the pairs like this, the whole pair in one. I put in individual bags, wrap it up, and then slide it along the sides of my bag. It makes for more room.
And I've never done that one before. That's a new tip I learned.
Also, it's good if you're packing sneakers or boots to put your socks within the shoes as opposed to other compartments, because you can use other compartments for other things and save space.
What do you do with your jewelry?
You know, that's a good question too. I always put my jewelry, like earrings and rings, whatever, inside a little pouch, and then I also stuff that inside my shoe.
Smart move.
So pretty much that's it. Organizers, roll your clothes, separate toiletry bags, separate your liquids from your non-liquids so it doesn't make a mess, put in individual plastic bags, and then your shoes, keep it nice and clean from your clothes in individual plastic bags as well. And then there you have it. lots of space.
Wow, thank you. I appreciate it. I hope everybody enjoyed Dewi's tips and got something out of it. If you have something to add, please leave it in the comments below. If you need to get a hold of Dewi and you want to go on a trip with her, the dewitravel.com, right?
That is correct.
That is
Check
correct.
me out.
There'll be a description, a link in the description below, and also to any social media she allows me to give out. If you like this video, go ahead and run over that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification on the subscription if you want to see more videos about road trips, Americana, and travel tips. And of course, share this video with other travelers, and you can follow me on my Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. If there is a place you'd like me to visit, please leave it in the comments below, and I will look into going. And until next time, safe travels. That was better, even though I thought I'm gonna screw that part up. That's okay. That's okay. We're having fun. So, hey road trippers.
Do you ever have
Start
any...
over. You were too long of a delay.
Okay.
This is Dewi. She runs a tour company, tour operator. Blah, 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 blah.
Cut.